Hi guys, welcome to Neutral Vibes. Today we are going on an excursion and we are going to enjoy ourselves at a river. Stay tuned, see where we're gonna go and what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be cooking up a storm, we're gonna enjoy ourselves today, and we are gonna enjoy the river and the food. So please stay with us.
And mangoes.
Please stay with us, enjoy with us. We really appreciate that. And guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We really do appreciate it. Love you guys. We're just waiting on the guys to come on out so we can get going. Hi Aiden, you guys ready? Huh? This is Jamaica. You gotta always find somebody that eat mango and a chill on the side.
One love.
Which is right. Newt, really? Mango looking good too. And guys, as me say, this is Jamaica. Why would I throw that away for you?
Welcome to Neutral Vibes.
Okay guys, this is our crew right there.
It's so pretty.
I know, right? Hi. Follow us. Follow us. Hayden looks stressed out.
No, I don't.
Lady, what you deal with?
Cleaning some fish. These are not the best looking right now, but when I'm done, it's gonna be amazing.
That I chef in our kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Alright, chef, I get the work done.
That's it.
That is it. What we are looking about today?
We're making fried fish.
Fried fish.
So we carry chicken as well.
That's Aki, one of the tour guide, right there. You know, that's Dutchy right there. Don't know a Dutchy that. I him run the car wash from the front. See him here. You see me? And tour guide also. Ensure to check out Dutchy to support him. You know it go. You see me? That's Gran right there. She's enjoying herself in Jamaica. Wonderful smile she got there. And there they are enjoying themselves and all, you know. Tomorrow is going to be rustic on the boat.
Vinegar. Pretty? Okay guys, this is what I'm going to be looking after today. I hope it's great.
It will be. here? Oh. Yeah, moving.
You're coming into the kitchen?
Yeah.
I'm really glad you do, you know? Yeah.
The water feels great. I just don't have. So I lose 24 pounds.
You want airport?
How'd you get through there like that, babe?
Well, hello. Huh?
How'd you get through there
You
like
got airport
that?
like that?
You guys say neutral vibes.
Oh, hello, Neutral Vibes family. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dee Dee and News.
Awesome.
He said awesome.
Our chef all the way from Columbus, Ohio.
Yes, I'm here to help to sprinkle it a little sprinkle. Oh my God. Come in. All right, this is done. Well, what? Yes, guys, we're here and we're cutting up some melon before the party begins with the fire. Woo! Look at that. Hi, DJ. So, you want them peel or you just want me to slice them out? Slice it out, just slice it out. Everybody can get the. When they can put it on. When they slice it up. Hi, Neutral Vibes.
All right. Catch a coal fire. Most persons don't know about coal stove as they are used to the gas stove and electric stove. You know, like our foreigners over here, they use electric stove. They don't know these things.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I could come over and give you a lesson on catching the coal. What you talking about? I remember these things like it was yesterday.
News is making sure that it's lit.
One fireman. You should have known, see, I said me where me come from. I'm not joke about it, you know? Mango Valley.
Pass me that chip on here right hand side. So over here we have Liddy cutting up the chicken, cleaning up the chicken, and on this side we have Nutty
Beside my Dutch pot.
with it, yes, getting the fire going, ready for the food to come around. All right, that's it. And over here we have everybody waiting for the food. People lined up from everywhere.
Pot is already hot and I'll be now pouring in vegetable oil.
I just traveled 3,000 miles to get down with this neutral vibes and explore Jamaica. Some waterfalls and some fresh waters, some healing waters, a mineral spring, some good food with good people, and I'm blessed to be here. Big up everybody, and big up to Jamaica.
This.
Woo!
No, the river really comes up really dirty. Oh my God. Hold on. Go ahead, baby.
Oh, you want me to pour it? Yes, I feel like DJ so the left one. That's it?
Pour, man, pour.
Report to the ancestors to stop.
Exactly, yeah.
I'll get the ancestors to stop now.
You know, really just stopping and they just want you to go on, you know what I mean?
What a skeleton and the time and the...
Trust and believe, everything the bowl.
So fish a bubble up, chicken a bubble up, almost.
This is Jamaica, guys. I am really hot right now, so you don't know. Very humid. But it's very humid, but here what happened. We end up buying some curry, but it's not enough. It's not gonna be white. I don't know. Believe and trust and believe, guys. It's gonna taste real good still, right? Unfortunately, the river came down on us, but we're still in the middle of the river and we're cooking like we normally would. Something that we love to do. You know, we have been doing this for quite some time now, but this is our favorite thing to do, guys. And I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share and enjoy this video with us. Because without you guys, we can't do this without you guys. So today we are cooking curry chicken. We didn't buy any curry, and the thing is, we weren't supposed to cook curry, we were supposed to fry chicken, but we do not have the necessary tools or equipment to deal with such things. So we have to go the alternative route.
So Sharon brought that before the invention of electric stove and gas stove. This is what our ancestors usually use, the coal pot, you know?
Got that?
Hey!
Yes, we're going to dig it deep.
You got cocoa?
Cocoa, yes, way up in the hills of St. Andrew.
Is this the edible cocoa?
Edible cocoa in the mountains of St. Andrew.
Well,
Cocoa, we eat on cocoa when not eat. Is that one where you don't eat?
Yes.
oh, so we eat down here.
Be careful that it's so close.
I'm seeing.
Serious coconut.
Oh, that's true. That's the real cocoa. These are the flowers. This is the flower.
Hayden is waiting on something to eat. Unfortunately, the food is not yet done. Another 10 minutes and it should be ready. Guys, we're finally finished cooking. We're about to share and we're going to have a wonderful time. Survive.
Sisters with a difference.
So.
Yeah,
Hey, this food is so good.
awesome.
It's crazy good.
How is it, Aiden?
Amazing!
Alright.
How is it?
This is amazing. Like this, top tier. The chicken, oh my goodness, so good. The fish, top tier. Man, I tell you, this is great.
I know, guys, we ran out of gravy and all them things, but how was it? We had to be making gravy. Well, thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Top notch, you know.
Yeah, man, thank you so much. Sorry about that. Here.
Nah, man.
Here. Thank you so much. How was it, Gigi? I'm so sorry for taking forever.
It was so worth it.
It was worth it waiting?
Yes, it was worth it.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing.
Really?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for doing this. And everything gluten-free, I am very happy.
It was
You're
great.
most welcome. It was great? Tell me that
It
again.
was awesome.
Thank you so much.
In America, we're only grilling
Oh, yeah?
grill hot dogs, hamburgers.
How was it?
Amazing.
Thank you so
10
much.
out of 10. Let's
Thank
try
you
again,
so
yes.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
That's
you.
a lot of hard work.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. And I couldn't do it. I know how hard it is.
I know, especially with one stove, right?
Yeah, like, I give you your time.
Neutral vibes.
We represent the neutral vibe. You see me with that Penfield, Pen River.
Is there anyone, right?
Give thanks every day cause my God sent. I pay thanks to the God cause my God help. Money in a pocket every day cause my God wealth. I stay clean every day, me no God sent. I keep money faster and buy a bad Benz anyway the beast pull up, you know a top shelf. See outside now, neutral vibes, you know where badness go. That's
Yep.
it.
Bop, bop. Love it. Love it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Neutral vibes.